How to make Google Messages your default messaging app on Android device. There are two ways how you can do so. First way is you can directly click on the Google Message once and you can see the option of set default SMS app. As soon as you tap on it once, it will ask for authorization and it will be made the default messaging app. The second way is just go ahead and swipe down your screen and go to settings. Once you go to settings, just go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for default. Once you search for default, you can see choose default apps. Go ahead and tap on choose default apps. Then go ahead and search for messages. Go ahead and click on the Google Messenger app. Then you can see the option of set as default. Go ahead and tap on set as default, or else go ahead and tap on messaging app and you can see the option of messages. Go ahead and tap on the Google Messages icon. Once you tap on it, you can now go back to Google Messages and see that it has been set as your default messaging app on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.